How to mute Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So first things first, make sure your Instagram app is updated. And once you open the Instagram app, you can see that when the reel is playing, you'll see a speaker icon on the bottom right corner of the video. So if the sound is on, just tap that icon to mute it. And you can see that there is a cross sign on the speaker, which means that the video is muted. Now, if you're watching a reel in full screen mode, you can mute or unmute by simply tapping anywhere on the video. But if you want to mute all reels completely while browsing, then you can lower your phone's volume or switch to silent mode. Instagram will remember this setting until you change it again. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your Instagram experience without those loud reels interrupting your peace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.